Greetings, this is Ray Hightower speaking to you from the construction site of TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC originally planned to put $12 billion into this factory. Last week, in December of 2022, TSMC announced that they were upping that amount from $12 billion to $40 billion. They are more than tripling the amount of money that they are putting into this facility. When we see progress like this, when we see an influx of high-paying, highly skilled jobs, that means that there are opportunities for multifamily investors like Bridgetown Partners.